For amplifying the required segment of the DNA, we do the polymerase chain reaction, and the things required to do this are following. First of all, we need the DNA samples on which we have to perform PCR. So these are the DNA samples which were stored at minus 20 degrees Celsius and thawed to do the process. Secondly, we need primers. These are the primers. This is how primers are being bought. So we need a set of primer, that is one forward primer and one reverse primer to amplify a segment. So the other thing which we need is our Taq polymerase. With Taq polymerase, we need its buffer, and it comes with the polymerase. When we buy Taq polymerase, buffer is also supplied with it for its working. Then we need DNTPs, and this is 0.5 ml PCR tube. In this only we will perform the PCR. We will mix all our reactions and put it in the PCR machine. These are the set of pipettes we need, and this is mini cooler. It maintains minus 20 degree temperature. When we are not in, we keep it in refrigerator, and when we take it out for 1.5 hours, it maintains the temperature. So these are the tips for our that. So now on the PCR, all the DNA, that is 2 microliter of DNA of 100 nanogram per microliter concentration has been put in all the tubes. Now we will prepare our reaction mixture in 500 microliter of tube. For in every tube, for 13 samples we will prepare reaction mixture. In reaction mixture, first of all we will put water. So for 13 samples we need 120 microliter of water, that is 9.2 microliter of water in each tube. Secondly, we will put buffer in the reaction mixture. So 19.5 microliter of buffer is required for 13 samples, and in each sample 1.5 microliter of buffer will be used. Now we will put DNTPs. DNTP, we for every reaction we need 0.7 microliter of DNTP. So for 13 sample we need 9.1 microliter of DNTPs. So in every reaction 0.7 will be. Now we will add primers. First of all we will put forward primer, and primer will also be put in 0.7 per reaction, 0.7 microliter per reaction, and so for 13 sample we need 9.1 microliter of primer, forward primer, and 9.1 microliter of reverse primer. Forward primer and reverse primer are put in same quantity. So now we will mix all the things. And last of all we will add in it our Taq polymerase. Taq polymerase is 0.2 microliter per reaction is added. So overall 2.6 microliter of Taq polymerase will be added in the reaction. And after this, proper mixing is required by tapping, and we can also spin it. Setting the spin wheel or mini centrifuge on pulse, PU means pulse, that is for 10,000 RPM, we will mix it. Next our reaction mixture. Now we have made the reaction mixture. Now I will put in all the tubes having different DNA samples. So this is how every tube is labeled. We are putting the PCR of 26 samples. Now we'll put it in PCR machine.